What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel and welcome to the vlog. If you guys are new here, hi, I'm Kaylan. I'm 25 and I film a lot of fashion, lifestyle, and productivity content. Welcome to a productive day in my life, a work day in my life. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to call it yet, but I have so much work to get done today. I have a few meetings today, so I thought it'd be fun to kind of take you guys along with me. I'm actually in the parking lot of a cycling studio because I'm actually going to go get a quick workout in this morning before work. I don't know if I ever said this on my channel because I wasn't really doing too many vlogs back then, but I was actually really into cycling like the end of 2020, I think it was. Yeah, end of 2020, beginning of 2021. I signed up for cycling. I absolutely loved it. Actually, you guys know I just recently quit Pilates and I told Devin, I'm like, I kind of want to start cycling again because Pilates was $230 a month. Cycling for unlimited was, well, when I went last time to the studio, it was $99 a month. I'm not going to sign up. I'm still going to give it like a month or two since I just quit Pilates, but they actually, it was like perfect timing. It's like they knew. They actually texted me and gave me 7 free credits to come, so like a free week of cycling, and I was like, perfect. I'm excited though. It's been over a year now since I've done a cycling class and they are so hard, so intense. I never thought cycling would be that hard, but they're such a good workout. They're really good cardio. I'm about to head in now though because the class actually starts in 15 minutes and I have to go in, like get checked in, get my shoes on, get my bike set up and everything. So I'm excited. It's gonna be a really good day. We're starting out the day, you know, very positive on a really good note. I'm not gonna lie, I laid in bed, I contemplated coming this morning. I was like, you know what, it's a free class. I don't have to go. I'm not going to be charged if I don't go. There's literally no downside to not going except I wouldn't get a workout in, and I was this close to choosing sleep over a workout, but I got myself here. I'm proud of myself at least for that, and we're going to have, you know, the best workout that we can.
So you'll have a log of everything we go after and don't necessarily have to take notes on it.
Perfect. Okay, yeah, that's perfect.
Yeah.
Kaylan, you want to say what's up?
Hi, how are you?
Good. Yeah, you do the YouTube shit, right?
I do, yes. I do like lifestyle, productivity content on there. Hi, you guys. It's a little bit later. Devin and I just got out of our meeting for the day. It went really well. It was kind of like a consultation / coaching call with another Amazon seller, pretty much just to discuss like how he got from where we're at now to the level that he's at now. And he actually also asked us to be on his podcast too, which is really exciting. So that was a really productive call. As soon as I got home from the gym, I showered and my camera died and I had like 20 minutes to get ready, so I didn't have time to like show you guys, you know, the whole process. But honestly, I just threw on a hoodie, straightened my hair, and my makeup is just very natural. Just got done with that. I'm about to go make some lunch, but I actually wanted to show you guys some new office supplies that I got at Target. Office supplies are just like the most exciting thing in the world now that like I'm an adult. I feel like lately I've just been so unorganized, unmotivated. I feel like my days aren't as productive as they should be or they used to be, and I was trying to think back to like college, and with college I had like, you know, a million things due. I was so organized, I was so on top of everything, and I was like, what is the difference? And I realized the difference I think is that I wrote everything down. Like I physically wrote everything down. I didn't do anything on my phone or my computer. I had notebooks full of notes. I had a planner that I used every single day, and I feel like there's just something different about, you know, doing everything digitally rather than like writing them physically. But I just feel like I'm kind of missing, you know, that element of like writing everything down and the satisfaction of like actually checking it off. And so I want to start kind of moving towards, you know, physical planning and note taking. So I went to Target and I got all, you know, new fresh office supplies that I am 100% going to use. I tell myself this every single time, but I'm actually going to use these. First of all, look how cute they all look together. Like they all look so good. It's like really nice neutral colors. We have like some nice gold detailing on there. Okay, so I got 3 different things. I got a weekly planner, which I'll open it up and I'll show you guys in a second. I got a plain notebook. This one's so pretty. You guys probably can't really see the design on camera, but this is really nice. I like how it's like really flexible too. And this is actually gonna be for my monthly goals and intentions every single month. So that is for that. And then I just picked up a plain like college ruled notebook. This one was a little bit pricey, but I love the gold detailing on it. It's by the brand Sugar Paper, and I just love their products at Target. Like I said, a little bit more expensive. And then the pages are obviously ruled, and then it's really nice that you can also put the date up there as well. So the reason why I love this one is, well, one, just because it is so pretty. It says one thing at a time, but it's also a weekly planner and it's undated. So I'm definitely that person. I just waste so much paper because even if I use it once a month, like there's just so many, you know, pages and spots wasted. So what's really nice about this is it's really going to help me not waste any paper, and I can actually use every single page in the notebook, even if I skip a few weeks in between. So it says one thing at a time, and then you also get some really pretty gold stickers with it. Opening it up, these are what the pages look like. So yeah, I think it's really pretty. It's really simple. It just, obviously you have your days and your weekly plans there. You have your top priorities for those days, which I really like that layout too. I will try to have all of these linked down below if I can find them, but I got them all at Target, and I got them recently, so I'm sure Target still has them if you guys are interested, but I will try to link them down below for you. So now I'm actually going to make my to-do list and kind of plan out my week. I have had this planner, you guys, for like 3 or 4 days, and I've had to resist the urge to break it open and actually use it because I wanted to keep it fresh and kind of break it in on camera for you guys. We're gonna open up our planner and actually use it for the first time. It's only Tuesday, so I can pretty much still plan out my whole week, but I'm at least gonna plan out my day to day and write down everything that I need to get done because, like I said, we still have a lot of work to do. And then I'm gonna go make some lunch because I am so hungry, and I've had that smoothie like 3 or 4 hours ago at this point. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead, make my to-do list, and then we're gonna make some lunch because your girl is hungry. I also just want to say it feels so good that I got my workout done this morning and I don't have to worry about it like in the middle of the day or after work. If Devin and I go to the gym, we typically go around like 12 or 1, or I'll go after work by myself because he doesn't like going that late. But it's just always something that's kind of like lingering in the back of my head, like, oh man, you know, I still have to go to the gym later. So it feels really good to actually like get up and get my workout done before even starting work for the day. And I think it's perfect that I took a class too, because I've gone to the gym so many times in the morning before work and I'm tired, I'm unmotivated, I just don't have that great of a workout. But I feel like a class, if you like have trouble like getting yourself motivated at the gym, I definitely think a class really helps because you have no choice really. You know, you have to keep up with the class, you have to do the workouts that they do. So it makes it a lot easier to have a really good workout, even if you're tired, even if you didn't want to be there. So yeah, I feel really good. I feel energized, and it's a lunchtime. Typically this is the time where I start getting really sleepy, but I'm not sleepy at all, and I haven't even had coffee today. So we're gonna go. I am gonna make some coffee, I'm gonna make some lunch, but yeah, I just wanted to say that I feel really good today, and I have a feeling it's because I worked out this morning. Lunch of the day, we have a vanilla iced coffee with a cinnamon raisin English muffin. Definitely not the healthiest thing in the world, definitely not ideal, but you know what, sometimes you just have to eat what you have. Devin and I are leaving for Vegas this weekend, so we're just kind of like eating everything that we have rather than going to the store. So lunch of the day, it's really good, just not the healthiest. we are almost done with work for the day. It is 8:35 right now. We just went and picked up some dinner. We got some BB Bop, which is so exciting. So I'm going to eat some of this, and then I actually have a call at 9:30. We're not quite done yet, but it's probably only gonna take like 10 or 15 minutes. It's just a call with one of our employees that we have. It's her weekly check-in, and honestly, I'm not in the mood to do it, so I'm just gonna keep it really short this week. But yeah, I got some BB Bop. I'll show you guys what I get. It looks so good, and I'm so hungry because all we've had today, or all I've had today, is a smoothie and then the cinnamon raisin English muffin and a coffee, and that's pretty much it. So I'm excited. We're gonna eat, and then while I eat, I'm actually going to probably read for a little bit. I feel like I've been talking about this book forever because I talked about it all of July and I mentioned it in my monthly reset. But you guys, I am so close to being done. I only have a few more pages left, and once I hit like, I don't even know, probably like halfway through it, it got so good, and I like literally can't stop reading it. I've been reading for like 3 hours every night, so I'm so excited. We're gonna get this finished tonight, but I just cannot believe how late it is already. I feel like the day got away from me. We've actually, here, I'll show you guys. We have some cashews soaking right now, and they're gonna be ready in probably like 30 minutes, 45 minutes. So I will show you guys how we've been making our homemade cashew milk. I decided to try this because I do not like almond milk, and we've been trying to eat less dairy. I was looking into the different milks, and I saw that cashew milk was super, super easy to make at home. Obviously, when you make it at home, it's a lot cleaner just because it's literally only cashews and pretty much water. So I decided to try it, and I made it for us, and it was so good, you guys. Devin said it tasted like vanilla bean. It was just so creamy, and honestly, almond milk makes me very nauseous if I taste it. Like, I do not like it at all, but cashew milk was so much better. If you guys are looking for a good plant-based milk and you don't like almond milk like I don't, definitely try cashew milk. You don't have to make it at home. They do have, I think they do sell it like in grocery stores, but yeah, we've been making it at home because it's really easy. It's a lot cleaner. It is obviously a bit more expensive. After my meeting in an hour, I will show you guys how I make our homemade cashew milk and like the cashews that I use and everything that I put in it. But yeah, this is my BB Bop bowl, looking better than ever. Like I said, I'm gonna eat, I'm gonna read my book. Honestly, I think I might be able to finish this, maybe not, before my call in an hour, but I'm gonna eat, read, drink my water. I've definitely not had enough water today, so I need to be drinking more of that. But yeah, I'm so hungry, so I'm going to eat this very quickly before we hop on our call. Oh my goodness, you look so cute. Oh my goodness. You got your toy? Huh? You got your toy? Michelle, how are you? Good, good. So yeah, so we talked to a few suppliers, and Devin and I, we actually leave this Saturday to go to the wholesale conference, which is exciting. So hopefully we'll get to meet a lot of them in person that you found. And so we won't have our call on Monday. We'll still keep our call. Maybe we might have to push all of our calls till later next week because we will be out of town. I'll still be checking your leads and everything. I'll have a computer with me, but yeah, we leave Saturday for the wholesale conference, and so we're excited about that. We're hopeful for it. I know it's been a tough month, but let's try. I know you said you already got 2. Let's try for at least 15 by the end of the week, and hopefully we'll have a good second half of the month and at least get to, you know, the 40 quota. Call is done. It actually went really well. So we got that knocked out. It is about 9:50 right now. You guys, I'm so close to the end of my book. I thought I was gonna finish it before the call. I have like literally probably 10 pages left. So I will keep you guys updated. I probably have actually more than that, but I'll keep you guys updated, of course, on how I like it. But I haven't even read the ending yet, and I already know it's gonna be so good. So 10 out of 10, I'll talk about this a little bit more on my September monthly reset, but 10 out of 10 recommend this book, you guys. Now I'm gonna show you guys really quickly before I start reading again, how we make our homemade cashew milk, because like I said, it is the easiest thing ever. All you need are cashews, water, vanilla extract, cinnamon, and a dash of salt, and you have yourself a homemade glass of milk. have it. We have 2 completely full glasses and 1 that's like 1/4 of the way full. This is what 1 cup of cashews make. You can obviously make more, but you want to drink this within like about 3 days. So we don't make too much at a time, just enough to last us for the next few days. Like I said earlier, this is a little bit more expensive to make because obviously cashews are not the, you know, cheapest thing in the world. They're a little bit more pricey. So like I said, we don't have like a glass of this. Otherwise 1 glass would literally be like half of this, but it's really good, like I said, like froth on top of coffee or just like lightly mixed into something. So I mean, if you want to have it in your cereal or, you know, a glass of it, if you want to spend the money on cashews, obviously you can do that. But for us, we just like I said, like to have it in moderation. But this is what it looks like. It is so good. And like I told you guys, almond milk literally makes me nauseous, and this is delicious. So if you guys do not like almond milk, I would definitely recommend cashew milk. And then I didn't show you guys the cashews that we use. So I got this big thing of cashews from Target. They're the Good and Gather unsalted roasted whole cashews. This entire thing was I think it was $16, $16.99 I think. And we've made quite a few cashew milks. Oh my gosh, look how ridiculous this is too. I just saw this in the back. We make Maya's homemade dog food, and they have dog broth at Target. So we get some of these for her because it's healthy for her. It doesn't have onion like a lot of vegetable broths or stocks do. It's all natural, and it also has glucosamine. So if you like to give your dog like broth, or you make homemade dog food, or if you like to mix broth in with her dry food, I would definitely check out this brand. We've only seen it at Target, but yeah, she's got a bunch of them in here. They are expensive, so use them in moderation. But yeah, I just saw this in the back. But anyways, also when you're buying cashews, always make sure that they're roasted because raw cashews contain toxins, I guess. I just read that. It's actually the same toxin that's in poison ivy, so you definitely don't want to be eating that. So always make sure they're roasted, and then we get unsalted so that way we don't eat or drink, I guess, a lot of sodium. So yeah, these are the ones that we get. These are by far the most affordable ones that we've seen. Kroger does have some, but they're a lot more expensive. So Good and Gather unsalted roasted whole cashews if you guys are interested in making your own cashew milk. All right, it is 10 o'clock. I'm so tired. I have such a busy day tomorrow, so I'm gonna head to bed soon. So I'm going to wrap up the vlog here, this productive day in my life. Honestly, I had planned to do so much more today. I almost stopped vlogging probably 3 or 4 times throughout the day because I'm like, this is boring. I'm just sitting on my computer, but I had a lot of work to do on my computer, and I did get a lot of work done. We made a cashew milk. We got BB Bop. I went to cycling this morning. So like looking back on my day, I'm like, okay, it wasn't like, I wasn't like knocking things out left and right, but I did get, you know, a decent amount of stuff done for a work day. I just always feel like if I don't have like this huge to-do list that I accomplish, then it's not really a productive day, and I'm just like trying to get out of that mindset. And I had a good day today. I got a lot of stuff done. I got a workout in, like I said. So overall, I do feel like it was a very productive day. And I just need to remember, you know, that not every day that's productive needs to be like hectic and crazy either. So it's just accomplishing 1 or 2 things extra that you normally wouldn't. Like in my book, that's a good day. So anyways, I still hope you guys enjoy the video. I'm posting this hopefully tomorrow. Tomorrow is Wednesday, and we leave for Vegas on Saturday, which is insane. And I'm just really excited to just like have a vacation, even though it is for work. We are going for work, but it's still gonna be nice to, you know, at least get out of the apartment, have some time, Devin and I, to ourselves, and have a good trip. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like this video, subscribe down below if you guys are new here, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.